Hey guys, welcome to another night in the shop. I'm Fred. So tonight we got a small project. I got a DC motor for my welding table. One of those rotating tables for welding. Got the motor there yesterday. What we got to do is, it doesn't have any mounting brackets. So what we're going to do is, we're going to throw this plate in the lathe and cut out where I've lined up the holes here. So the hole is going to be like a 3.290 minimum. So I can put a couple screws in to give it a little tightening up. But this will be one of the main brackets. I have to get some more material to do the other one. But we're going to do this one tonight. And anyways, let's get to the lathe, get this chucked up and get it set up and ready to go. All right, hang in there. Okay guys, we're just going to see how much we're out here. I'm using a live center, or a center on the back of a live center to check the run out. I got the forge eye in. I got this piece of aluminum somewhat in there parallel. I got a couple parallels behind here I'm going to pull out before I spin her up, but just want to see how much run out I got. So I got about right on zero there, and I got about 2,000, which is not too bad. So I'm going to do some fine adjustments here, and we'll come back. All right, hang in there. Okay guys, we got it dialed in within about 1,000 here, so I'm pretty good with that. So we'll leave it at that, and what I'm going to do is get everything out of the way, and then we'll start cutting. Hang in there. Okay guys, we're going to turn this at about 350, 360 RPM. And we're going to feed in slowly here. Let me bring in a different angle here. All right, let's continue on here. Change up the bit here. I'm going to put a 1 inch in there. Wind her down a little bit. Hang in there. Let me just adjust this. Okay. Down to about 270 now. Got a 1 inch bit here. Okay guys, we're going to put a boring bar in. Alright, we're going to adjust the speed again. Alright guys, we're going to start boring that hole out. Some fairly aggressive cuts here. Just it's going to take a while to get up to 3 inches anyways. Chips are breaking off good. going to do, guys, is I'll come back when I'm almost down to the 3 inches. All right, hang. Okay, guys, we're getting close to that 3.2 mark. Let me just measure this here. So we're at 3030, so we got 230, 240 to go. Oh, all right. I'm gonna crawl up on this real slow. All right, if you guys can see, let me see if you can see there. Yeah, we zoom in a little bit here. All right, there we go. $130 to go. Do an inside chamfer on that. All right. Another 60 thou. All right, like I said, I'm going to crawl up on this real slow. $15,000. All right. Okay, we're almost right there. All right, let me stick them over here and give it a fit on the end. Oh, perfect. Perfect. That'll give me enough clamping when I split it. I can clamp it around the motor. So there we go. That's it. All right, guys, let me just clean up here and we'll get to the mill. Okay, guys, so we got the plate done. This is 3/4 inch 6061 alloy here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up taking the saw, cutting it here, and it'll be like a pressure fit. So I got enough room, I can slide it over here, so I can slide down to where the brushes are. So the bracket would be sitting something like that there. Not quite as wide. I've got a lot of machining I got to do off the end. I'm going to turn this to make it round. So that's it. That's what it's going to look like. I got to get another piece for another bracket up top there. So yeah, so that's a bracket, and you can see where I got it outlined here. I'm going to put that in the rotary table and mill off the outside here. So that'll be a project another day. Anyways, guys, so that'll be it for tonight. Okay, guys, I kind of stuck the little rotary table on there. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a different milling bit in, obviously. I'm not going to do that tonight, but we're going to carve a little circle right up to this point here. And that's going to be our feet for the motor. So it'll just have a round circle. I'll be drilling this and tapping it, slitting it to put a compression fit on that little electric motor. And that'll be part of the gearbox assembly for the welding table. Anyways, I'll give you shots of how I'm going to set it up on the bench there, and then we're going to call it the night. So guys, there's the motor. It's a little 500 watt, 12 volt. So that's going to be mounted like that there. So those feet will have it stand off about 1 inch from the base, and then it'll allow me to shim. I'm going to put a timing belts on here to drive this. This gearbox is 100 to 1. I've got the variable speed drive coming for it, and I've got another one sitting in the cupboard I just got to dig out, but I think it's a lighter duty. So this motor here is off a salter system for the back of a pickup truck. So it's got enough torque. It's 1800 RPM, which is plenty for me to play around with as far as speed goes. So yeah, so that's how it'll be mounted there. So those two little brackets, the one that brackets in the rotary table, will be around the motor and secured to these feet here. And then I'll be making a plate here to secure the whole thing so it can tilt back and forth. And the output shaft will be here with either a chuck or a 10-inch plate. I think I can get up to 10 inches in my 10 or 9 inches in my chuck there. So that's what we're going to do. So anyway, so that's it for tonight, guys. So we're making progress. Okay, guys, so that's it for tonight. Yes, we're making a little bit of progress. I'd like to get this rotary welding table done, and I've got my son helping me get some stuff done with it. But yeah, that'll be it. I'd like to say thanks to my new subscribers. Thanks to my subscribers that have been following me for the last little while. And I'd like to say thanks for visiting. And you guys have a great night. Bye for now.